Yin-Yang. Yin-Yang is a Eastern thought, the two complementary forces that make all aspects and phenomena of life. Yin is a symbol of earth, femaleness, darkness, passivity, and absorption. It is present in even number in valleys and streams, and it represented by the tiger. The color orange and the broken line. Yang is the conceived of as heaven, maleness, light, activity, and penetration. It is present in odd number in mountains, and it represented by the dragon. The color azure and the unbroken line, the two are both said to proceed to the great ultimate. Their interplay on one another being description of the actual process of the universe and all that it is. Harmony is the two depicted as the light and dark halves of a circle. The concept of yin-yang is associated in Chinese thoughts with that idea of 5 phases: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. Both of ideas leading substance of the characteristical Chinese belief in cycle theory of the game of dissolution and an interdependence between the world of nature and event.